Cooking with electricity. Until recently, it was very expensive to try to use a solar-powered backup for your home kitchen. With the drop in the prices of solar panels, many tasks in the kitchen can be lightened, with only a very moderate investment, and a minimum of space available to get the panels installed. On the other hand, there are three very valuable elements which can be used to cook exclusively using electricity. The microwave oven. Many foods, which require a very low temperature and cooking time, can be prepared or reheated by using a microwave oven. Glass, plastic or ceramic containers can be used without any problems. The air oven. An air oven accepts all types of containers and greatly reduces the use of oils and fat which could be harmful to your health. By using glass containers, you can simplify the task of cleaning such appliances. There are various sizes, ranging from those for heating or preparing yourself a personal portion, to larger devices capable of preparing or reheating a full meal for the whole family. The slow cooker. Another valuable help in the kitchen is the slow cooker. The larger versions allow you preparing, reheating or barbecue-style hard-to-deal with steaks pieces of steak. Large slow cooker pots allow you to cook your meal overnight, with very low electricity drain. On the other hand, such pots are easy to wash and, practically, do not require any maintenance. In the case of older adults, they allow them to stop using gas in the kitchen, which poses the danger of explosions, with fatal consequences. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.